Hi, are you looking for organizational ideas for your craft space? Well, I have two great ideas to share with you today. Welcome to my creative corner. I am Claudette, where I have crafty projects using stamps, inks, papers, a whole lot of embellishments, as well as mixed media. If this is of any interest to you, please hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have new videos. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So let's get started.
So let's start by talking about these clear bins. These are Gary Plastic Packaging clear rigid plastic boxes, and they're measuring 8 by 4 by 4, and they come 4 to a pack, and they have like flat lids that comes on top of them. So you get 4 of them for under $30. I think when I purchased mine, it was like $28.99. I like that they're clear. They could match with any decor. I store my ink pads in these, and I like that my ink pads are visible, so then I'll know what colors I have. I don't make a mistake of duplicating the same colors and wasting money. So the more it's visible, the more I would be able to use my supplies. So next we will be taking a look at how I store my alcohol markers using Crafter's Companion storage tray. These trays come 6 in a pack, and I got these from Amazon for under $25. Okay, I think they were like $24.95 or $24.90. Yeah, $24.95. And each tray holds 12 markers, so a total of 72 markers you could store in with these trays. So these trays are stackable. You could stack them horizontal, vertical, or on an angle. And I think if your markers are 5/8 of an inch, they could fit in there. So I store my Stampin' Up alcohol markers as well as my Copic marker. I have some spritzers in there. I have my aqua painter and Winka Stella in there. So once you have a marker or a pen that's 5/8 of an inch or less, you could store them in these trays. It's also recommended, due to the nature of the alcohol pens, they need to be stored horizontally to ensure even ink flow to both ends. So I really do love these trays, and I love the color. It's black and it matches with anything too as well.
Okay, so I wanted to give you guys an idea of how it looks with the ink pads within the storage containers. So this typically is how I store my ink pads, going vertically. This is the newer style ink pads by Stampin' Up. So it's like a compact makeup. They're more sleek. All right, so you hold a lot more versus, and this is running vertically. So I put these in here to show you how it looks horizontal. This is the older style ink pads by Stampin' Up, which is more bulky. So if you're interested in any of these storage containers, check in the description down below. You could also check the reviews out there too as well. I hope this got your creative juices going. Thank you for tuning into my creative corner. Until next time, this is Claudette.